The LA fires were shocking, and it's easy to feel powerless. But the situation is not hopeless.
Ready?
Ready to go.
Okay.
Some of my most experienced wildland firefighter friends are joining me on a bike tour of LA.
Bike riding, tacos, and wildfire.
We'll traverse the city from Pasadena to Malibu, looking at the vegetation and architecture and studying the landscape from a firefighter's perspective. Along the way, we'll share insights gained from decades working on large fires.
Pushes everything towards the ocean.
Right.
Not looking forward to going out there at all.
We'll talk about the weather patterns that drive large fires.
I bet the inside of that house is gutted.
That's what it kind of looks like, yeah.
We'll provide practical tips and solutions to empower you and your community. Our goal? Rethinking how to live more safely with wildfires. The risks can be overwhelming, but having a better understanding of fire can make life in these fire-prone places feel a little bit less crazy.
Oh!